UG word family, replacing the initial sound. Ugh. We will be placing a B in front of that. Bug. We will be replacing the B with a D. Doug. We will be replacing the D with an H. Hug. We will be replacing the H with an L. Lug. We will be replacing the L with a P. Pug. We will be replacing the P with an R. Rug. We will be replacing the R with the T. Tug. We will be replacing the T with the CH. Chug. We will be replacing the CH with the PL. Plug. We will be replacing the PL with an SL. Slug. We will be replacing the SL with an SM. Smug. We will be replacing the SM with an SN. Snug.